The 5 most important organs of the human body. 1. The brain. The human brain is one of the most powerful organs of the body and is also the most complex part. It's part of the nervous system and together with the spinal cord forms the central nervous system. Its main functions include processing sensory information, regulating blood pressure and breathing, and releasing hormones. It makes up 2% of the weight of the average human body and resides inside the skull. Its weight is approximately 1.3 kilograms. This brain, consisting of 80% liquid, is such a signal box that receives information from the body and processes the whole thing. 1 billion cells in the brain send and receive information throughout the body. The left side of the brain controls the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain controls the left side of the body, which is the creative side. There are 3 different parts of the brain: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem or medulla. These parts are responsible for speech, motion, movement, and learning. Many diseases affect brain functions, such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and multiple sclerosis. 2. The heart. The heart is a special muscle located in the middle of the lungs, slightly to the left of the chest, which works to send blood throughout the body. Through this blood, the body gets oxygen and essential nutrients. Its weight is 230 to 350 grams. Its shape is like an inverted cone. It's also called a blood pumping machine, which beats 60 to 100 times every minute, making 1 million times every day. It has 2 sides. The right side receives blood from the body and pumps it into the lungs because oxygen is less in such blood. The left side receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it into the body. This process continues like this. Exiting from the heart, blood flows through many tubes called blood vessels, which are attached to the heart and are of 2 types: arteries and veins. Arteries carry high oxygen blood from the heart to the body parts, and veins carry low oxygen blood back to the heart. Our heart pumps about 1.5 gallons of blood every minute. 3. The liver. The liver is the second largest organ from the skin and is very important for our survival. It is the heaviest internal organ of the human body and also the largest gland. Its weight is normally 1.5 kilograms. It is located below the diaphragm and above the stomach. It has 2 unequal-sized lobes. 10% of it is made up of fat. The liver performs more than 200 important functions for our body. It stores the vitamins and nutrients we eat and detoxifies harmful things like drugs and alcohol, and it cleanses the blood, produces digestive liquid bile, and stores energy in the form of glycogen. The liver can also regenerate itself, so a liver transplant is possible. Hepatitis A, B, and C, fatty liver disease, liver cancer, and Wilson diseases are liver diseases. 4. The lungs. Lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system. There are 2 lungs in the human body, which are located on the 2 sides of the chest, and the heart is in between them. These are round-shaped organs, and the weight of a normal adult's lung is about 100 grams. The left lung is slightly shorter than the right lung. Every day, we breathe about 22,000 times, and about 70% of the body's waste comes out through breathing. It is the only human organ that can float in water. It is only because of the lungs that we can take oxygen, which is necessary for survival. The lungs fulfill the major task of removing carbon dioxide from the blood and adding oxygen to the blood with the help of the heart. A person can survive with just 1 lung, but with some physical disabilities. The main diseases related to lungs are asthma, pneumonia, bronchitis, and a couple more. 5. Kidneys. Kidneys look just like kidney beans, which do an important job of removing waste from our bodies. Kidneys are part of the urinary system, and their most important function is to filter liquid waste from the blood and remove it from the body in the form of urine. There are 2 kidneys in our bodies and are located in the lower back on both sides of the backbone. Each kidney is 4 inches to 5 inches long. This organ makes up an average of 0.5% of the body weight but receives more blood than the rest of the body, except the liver. 1 million nephrons are found in each kidney, which act as filters. It maintains the right amount of fluid in the body, also helps in the formation of red blood cells, and help in controlling blood pressure. Humans can also survive with one kidney. The kidney filters about 50 gallons of blood every day. The main kidney diseases are chronic kidney disease, polycystic kidney disease, urinary tract infections, and a lot more. So this is all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.